Okay. Good afternoon to one and all. Today we are discussing about branch and bound. That is the branch and bound method. In branch and bound method, the all states searching methods. That is the searching methods. In searching methods, in which all the children of E node is generated. All the children of E node is generated before any other live node became E node. This any live node became E node is any live node became E node. That means, suppose if any live node, that is the ALV live node became E node after generating all its children's. So all its children's, and if any E node is generate all its children's, and the next live node became E node. Suppose there are two searching strategies already you are studying, breadth first search and depth first search, but you are using another search, that is depth search, in which the exploration of new node cannot be begin until the currently being explored is fully expanded. That is means the expanded exploration of any new node. That is the exploration of any node means if any live node generating children's after the live node became fully expanded. It is the fully expanded means it generates all its children. That is generate all its children's. Both of these is generalized by branch and bound strategies. In branch and bound strategies, breadth first like state space search will be FIFO. It is breadth first search. Breadth first search state space search will be called FIFO. That is first in first out. It is also known as first in first out, means the live nodes are placed in queue. That is the live nodes are placed in queue. Suppose the second one is depth first search, not depth first, it is a D search. That is in G search, the live nodes are placed in LIFO, it is last in first out, such as the list of live nodes in last in first out, that is stack. As in case of backtracking, the bounding function is to avoid the generation of subtrees that do not contain answer node. That is, suppose if any live node, that is the every live node is bounded by using bounding function, same used in backtracking. So suppose if any live node, that is the any live node cannot generate the children, that is cannot be generate the children means it cannot be satisfy the bounding function. It cannot be satisfy the bounding function, then the live node is bounded. Bounded means it cannot be generate the children. That is, it cannot be generate the children further. It cannot be generate children further. Okay. So you are using branching and bound. That is the bounded. Bounded means suppose if any node is bounded, that is the any node is bounded. Bounded means it cannot be generated the children's. Suppose you are using breadth first search, that is you are using breadth first search. The live nodes are stored in queue, FIFO, last in first out. Suppose you are using depth first search, the live nodes are stored in LIFO, what is last in first out. First we are using breadth first search. For example, it is in 4-queen problem. It is in 4-queen problem. Suppose for 4-queen problem already you know the state space tree. So totally 58 or 68 nodes. The state space tree is we are searching. You are searching the answer node. You are searching the answer node. You are searching the answer node. Suppose the answer node, the live node, it is the live node cannot be generated children's. It's just be bounded. Bounded means cannot be generated children's. Suppose you are here same even previous class previous backtracking method you are using same node, but here you are using, suppose if any live node is fully expanded, that is the any live node is fully expanded, then the another live node is generated children's. All the nodes is placed in all the nodes are placed in LIFO, what is last FIFO, first in first out. Suppose for example it is suppose here first you are starting at first node, that is the first node means here we are solving the problem, it is we are solving the problem by solving the problem, it is 4-queen problem is no 2 queens are in same column, same diagonal. So first there is only one live node that is represents no queens are placed in chessboard. Suppose there is a live node, it is only one live node, that is one is live node. It represents no two queens and no queens are placed in 4x4 chessboard. Suppose the first node is fully expanded, that is suppose the first node is fully expanded means the first node generated children's, that is the children's means the first node generated children's, the children's are placed in the queue, that is suppose q means q, suppose q here q low, first you are placed the 8th, next one 18, sorry, first one 2, next one 18, next one 34, okay, next one 50. So first the a node, that is the a node generated, that is sorry, the first node generated children, that is the first node generated children's, the first node generated children's, that is 2, 18, 34, 20. But here the first node is fully expanded, that is the fully expanded means the first node generate all its children, that is the first node generate all its children's. So the children's of first node is second node, that is 18th node, 34th node and 15th node. So the live nodes, that is now the live nodes means the live nodes is 2, 18, 34, 50. So first you are inserting 2, next you are inserting last in FIFO, first in first out. First in first out means you are placing first, you are placing Q2, next 18, next one 34, and next one is 50. So next one, next means in live node, that is sorry, next to live node is consider in the node in the queue, that is next live node is 2 means, that is the 2 means the second children, that is 2 means the second children, second means that is the second means the first node is placed in first row, first column. Next one, the second node generate 3 children, that is 3, 8, 30. 3, 8, 13, 3, 8, 13. But third node generate generate its children, such as third node and 11th node is killed. And next one is 13th node is generated. So the 13th node is placed in queue. The 13th node is placed in live node, that is placed in queue. So the 13th node is generated children 14 and 16. So no children are generated. So the 13th node generated 2 children, that is 14th and 15th. But here the live nodes are placed in queue means here live node is 3, 8, 13. But the third node, that is the third node is killed and the 8th node is not killed and 13th node is killed. The 2 nodes, that is the 2 nodes are placed in the queue before, after, that is after 50, it is 50, 58, 13, 29, 29. So suppose the 8th node is killed, that is the 8th node is killed. First you are placed in queue, that is first you are placed in queue. Clear one means suppose first you are placed in 2, 18, 34, 20. But next you are placed in 8th node and 13th node. What is the 8th node and 13th node means? Suppose in next diagram, suppose 8th node, 13th, third node is killed. Third node is killed and 18th and 13th node is placed in queue. 13th node is placed in queue. Next live node, that is the next live node in the queue after 3 is 18. So 18 generated children, that is 19, 24, 29. But 20, 19 and 24 not satisfy the criteria function. No two queens are in same row, same column. 29, that is the 29 is placed in the queue after 13. This 29, that is the 29 is placed after 13. It is 29. The 29 is placed after 13. So next live node, that is the next live node is 34. 34 generated children, that is the 34 generated children, that is the 34, that is the 34 generate 3 children. The 34 generate 3 children, that is 29, that is sorry, 34 generated 35, what is here 35, and next one 40, 45. So 35, what is the 35 is satisfy the criteria function. So 40, 45 not satisfy function. So 39 is placed in the queue. 39, that is the 39 is placed in the queue. 35, sorry, 35 placed in the queue. Next one is 50. 50 generate 3 children. The 2 children is satisfy the criteria function up to this. So the two means 51 and 56 is placed in queue. So 51, 56 is placed in the queue. So up to 15th node, that is the live node generate is fully expanded. That is here in branch and bounding function. That is in branch and bounding method. In branch and bounding method, the live node is fully expanded. The live node is fully expanded. Next, the live node generated children's. Fully expanded means suppose if any live node became E node, the E node is fully expanded. Fully expanded means it generate all its children's. Next generate next live node. These all the live nodes is stored in queue FIFO. So first live node is 1, next live node is 8, next live node is 13, next live node is 29, next live node is 35, 51, 56, 30, 58, 30. So next live node here next live node is 50. After 50, the next live node is 8th node. The 8th node generated children, that is the 8th node generated children's 2 children, that is 9, 14. It cannot satisfy the criteria function. Here criteria function is no two queens are in same row, same column, same diagonal. So 19th and 11th node is killed. That is the 18th and 11th node is killed. 18th and 11th node is killed. The next live node, that is the next live node is 13. 13 generated children, that is 13 it generated 2 children, that is 14, 16. 16 not satisfy the criteria function. So 14th node, the 14th node is placed in the queue. So the 14th node, that is the 14th node is placed in the queue. Okay, the 4th node is also bounded. It not satisfy the criteria function. So the 4th node is also bounded. So it not satisfy the criteria function. So bounded. So next live node in the queue is after 18, 13. Next live node is 29. 29. Okay, 29. The 29 generated 2 children. That is 29 generated 2 children. It satisfy the criteria of 13. The 13 not satisfy the criteria function. So 13, 30, 32. That is 30, 32. 32 is killed and 30 is stored in the queue. That is here 32 added to queue. 30 added to queue after 56. And next one, next live node, that is the next node 35 node. The 35 node is generated children's. 38 is added. 38 is added in the queue. That is here 38 added in the queue. And next one, next to our live node is 51. 51 generated children's. 54, 56, 52 not satisfy the criteria function. And 54 is added in the queue. It is 54 add in the queue. So 54 add in the queue. Next live node, that is the after next live node is 56. That is the 56 is generated children, but it not satisfy the criteria function. So the live nodes, that is the next live node is generated children, it not satisfy the criteria function. So 31 satisfy the criteria function, 39 satisfy the criteria function. So by using branch and bounding method, that is by using branch and bounding method, we are using any live node became any live node, that is the any live node generated children after the previous live node is fully expanded. All the live nodes is stored in queue. Queue means you are using breadth first search methodology. That is in breadth first search methodology. All the live nodes became E node after generating the current E node is fully expanded. The same terminology. It is the same terminology used in this method. So you are using same terminology used in the same method. So here the live nodes is stored in the queue. It is the live nodes is stored in queue by using a FIFO. It is FIFO. FIFO means first in first out, or in data structures we are using queue. So our live nodes, that is all the live nodes, it satisfy the criteria function. So tomorrow we'll discussing about least cost search. That is just your searching method. Next tomorrow we'll discussing about least cost search. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.